Hello, good morning Subki. Once again, Nagaland Times News Channel T. Welcome kurase itia ajila notun khobor khan update kuri dibo. Aji morning la first update ase Glamour's Hub Entertainment Nagaland 2 Grand Nagaland 2021 title itu sal December 7 Kohima bra health kurbole khobor pa ase fishing industry aru tourism state ti uthabole MT report itu event to Raburaru group collaborate kurina organize kurubo aru event Mr India United continent bra mentor aro judge kurbala ase organization to campus audition to alag institution ti rakhibo aro young talented aspiration khan ki sale kurbala ase fishing aro modeling industry ti part lobole semi finalist to criteria hisab ti online mode ti rakhilobo aro winner to direct entry kurine rubar aro Mr India title 2022 ti participate kurbole khobor pa sab sobki jana ase next khobor te ase Noklak district to Hatir Khan District Hospital ti receive kurlushe 50 lakh bra Ikam Foundation Chennai bra aro ambulance bra Santi Medical Information Center Kerala bra dialaga ambulance driver aro nurse pasal serve kurbolepi Shanti Medical Information bra provide kuri dibo aro medical equipment donate kuri dia khan to Health and Family Welfare Minister S Pangyu ki handover kuri dishe ambulance to latest medical Hatir Khan thagina pailoshe aro Gari to mobile medical unit Noklak hesapti cholabole ase program address te espangnu phom tu Ikam aro Shanti Medical Information Center khan ki dangor thens dithakshi inika dangor donation rakhi dia nimite next ase SBK Aizito Youth Department to mobile app youth anchor koina launch kurlushe youth sobki isor lago kotha ponchai dibole nimite itu mobile app to Google Play Store te download kurbole parbo aro itu apps to youth executive committee bra sponsor kurina launch kurla ina khusumi youth secretary release kuri thaise next ase Dimapur Lotha Student Union DLSU2 general public ki appeal kurase multidisciplinary sports complex Dimapur ti illegal kam khan tu na kurina sports practice kura khan ki balbra kheli dibole 100 pro volunteers khan jama kurina clean Dimapur under te safa sapi tu kuri dishe DMC aro district sports officer collaborate kurina to DLSU president bra illegal activities kuri thagya khan share kuri dishe aro kinika itu bra sports person khan ki disturb kuri thage itu issue te itu karni players khan ki disturb nokuri na kheli dibole koi dia ase kile neighboring state khan tu international players khan bi bishi ho jaise hulepi Nagaland state tu pichete thagya jani bole koi dia ase next ase Dimapur District Congress Committee DCC2 NPCC Minority Department Dimapur District Youth Congress Mahila NSUI aro alag frontal organization milaina Dimapur rasta biya karni aji 10 baji bra loina 2 baji tak protest rakhibo aro DC Dimapur ki memorandum to submit kurubole ko ase NPCC Minority Department Chairman Rajesh Kumar ko hisab to NH delegate ADC Court Junction PWD Midland Dobinala JS Road Station Road Trakuman Junction area ti rakhibole ase decade opor maintenance no thagya nimite next khobor te ase Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina tu dangor congratulation Prime Minister Modi ke di thakse historic milestone achievement kuri 1 billion dose COVID-19 vaccine October 21st bra success hua nimite Sheikh Hasina jakali Prime Minister ki message kuri dishe itu tu dangor success ase itu world COVID-19 pandemic ti pailoshe koina Sheikh Hasina pi country vaccination share kuri dishe Bangladesh tu 60 million bra vaccination loloshe koina aro dangor khushi pai thakya koi digina India Bangladesh tu ikiloko kam kuri pandemic bra manula life bachabo koina khobor te koi dia share kuri dia ase next ase Migrant Khan bra Tripura ti Muslim mosque phanga phangi kuri dia khobor pa ase aro itu nimiti Muslim body to Chief Minister action manga ase report te last time Bangladesh ti ISKCON temple Migrant Khan bra phanga phang kurina ekjon pi muraida la issue ti hobo pare koi thaise aro itu attack ti President of Tripura State Jamit Umla to Chief Minister action demand kura ase kile situation create kuri thagya nimite aro Hindu no holepi Muslim communities kun holepi Bangladesh issue support no kurbole koi dia ase BJP spokesperson report parties khan to law and order ti rakhi loi ase aro inika incident to welcome nai koina response kura ase. Next khobor te ase Home Minister Amit Shah Jammu and Kashmir relate jonai dise normal situation tu joldi ahi jabo aru itu development khan tu rukhabole naparibo koi dise. Home Minister tu jakali dangor rele rakhi na koi dise tai tu Jammu and Kashmir te aha tu injustice tu khotom hoi jaise kobole thagise koina statement kura ase. Aru konpar bra itu development tu chamla dibole koshish kura ase hulepi kunbra pi itu development rukhabole naparbo koina jonai dise. Minister speech te ita takti 12,000 crore invest kurlise aru 2022 no ponchageti 51,000 crore tu invest kurina youth khan ki lak opor job uthai dibo koina statement kuri thagise. Itu karni Jammu and Kashmir te development jai thaka tu kunbra pi rukhabole naparbo koina relate koi dise. Next ase India China stand of tension ti China khan tu notun land border law country sovereignty territory integrity nimite pass kuru thaka khobor pa ase. Itu law tu Bijan border issue India ti thaka nimite koi thakse aru member of standing committee National People's Congress NPC bra legislative session Saturday ti isha kuri digina next year January bra suru kurubole report kuri thakse. Itu law tu based on border issue aru border jurisdiction ti enforce kuri development thakibole nimite ase bishi deri border issue thaga nimite. Aru aji morning la notun khobor khan yate bra khotom kura ase.